Ever wondered what Thanksgiving is all about? It's a fascinating tale that dates back to the 17th century, when the first Pilgrims and Puritans landed in America. To celebrate their first harvest in 1621, a grand feast was held, a tradition that was later proclaimed as a national day of Thanksgiving by President Abraham Lincoln in 1863. At the heart of this grand celebration is the Thanksgiving dinner, a large meal shared among family and friends. The fare often includes a variety of dishes, each with its own unique story. The star of the dinner table is the turkey, a meat chosen for its size capable of feeding a large family. The turkey is usually stuffed with chestnuts, sausage meat and grains, then baked to a golden brown perfection before being carved and served. But what's turkey without cranberry sauce? This tart, ruby red sauce is a staple of the season, a tradition that dates back to the days of the first Pilgrims learning about cranberries from the Native American Indians. Some prefer the convenience of canned sauce. But making your own is a simple process of boiling sugar and water, adding cranberries and mashing them into a sauce to be cooled in the fridge. Thanksgiving also celebrates the harvest of the season, encompassing an array of root vegetables. These subterranean treasures, such as potatoes, parsnips, carrots, squash, yams, and the most popular of all, pumpkins, are a nod to the harvest festivals of old. And speaking of sweet, have you heard of marshmallow sweet potatoes? This dish is a testament to America's love for all things sweet. Roasted sweet potatoes are mashed, mixed with butter and cinnamon, topped with marshmallows, and baked until the marshmallows are golden brown. The sweetness doesn't stop there. Pumpkin pie, a delicacy made by sweetening mashed pumpkin to use as a filling, is a traditional Thanksgiving treat. Pecan pie is another favorite, using pecans harvested during the season, sweetened with maple syrup. Pecans also find their way into the turkey stuffing and mixed with roast vegetables. In summary, Thanksgiving is a celebration of the first harvest in America, a tradition that has persisted since the 17th century. It is a time of gathering, of sharing, and of feasting on dishes that tell the story of the season, the harvest, and the journey of those who first celebrated this day. From the grand turkey to the humble cranberry sauce, each dish at the Thanksgiving table has a tale to tell, a reflection of the rich tapestry that is American history.